Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and simple pearl sari or dupatta border at home. It's very easy to make. Everyone can make this pearl edging at home. So for that we need some big size pearl and silk thread. You can create this handmade pearl border on your favorite sari, dupatta, kurti, blouse, top, etc. This will give you a designer look. For more sari border like this, please check the description box or simply click on I button. And if you have any queries, then please comment me below, and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivate me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates. Now stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the tutorial well. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.